So I haven't posted a lot of videos this year yet, but I've been working on a special project. I wanted to finally show you how it's going. Come on through. So Aston1936.com has got a shop now. So this has been my big luxury that we've been able to pull together a pretty good shop space. It's 20-foot ceilings, and I can park a couple of cars in here. I'm not turning into a shop owner commercially. This is just a hobby for me, but on my bucket list has been to move out, have a little bit more space than the garage, half a garage, and have to pack everything up every night and put it all away, keep everything super organized because it's, our home garage. So an opportunity came along, and I've got a shop now. And obviously one of the big features in here is an actual lift. So honestly, I'm going to make sure that I keep doing all my articles so that they can be done in your home garage. But I'm in my 50s now, and when I'm working in December in a 40-degree garage, laying on my back on the floor, and having to shoot video and all the other stuff, it's sort of been taking its toll on me. So now I've got some place that's fairly climate controlled. I can shoot in the 100-degree summer days of Sacramento, and also in the 40-degree winter days. So hopefully that's going to make us for some additional videos. I'll be producing a few more. Another thing is just literally my back's going to be happy that I'll be able to raise the car up and work on things. We'll be able to get better camera angles. One of the series that'll be coming up is doing the transmission fluid. Well, that's all can be done up on jack stands, but to get video footage of it while it's being done is going to be just a bear. So there's going to be some cool stuff we're going to shoot with the car up on the lift. Just a quick look around the shop. My daughter gets credit for putting together the logo and getting it up on the wall there. I've got myself some new tool carts that'll be handy to roll over and work on. And I'm still putting the place together. Peg boards and grinders, and there's going to be a parts washer and probably a media blaster at some point. But anyways, it's still coming together right now. Bathrooms, which is pretty cool. Floor that I can sweep. And we're still, we have a slop sink, for cleaning up after doing the work. We're still got some construction debris in the way. Just got the compressor installed and wired, but I still have to get the compressor lines installed. There's going to be a pressure washer back here, so we're going to be able to wash a car and detail it inside here, and do a few things like that. There's some shelving, which is a mess right now, but it'll probably never be super good, but some cabinets for supplies. If you're, towels, oil, rags, cleaning things and stuff like that. And then in here, this is parts. And so you get a quick peek of what's coming up on Aston 1936 in the months ahead. Transmission parts, transmission fluid. This is an audio upgrade kit that's going to be kind of cool. Washer bottle, wiper blades, secondary cat deletes, power steering pump flush, rear suspension arm change that's squeaking. So lots of cool things coming along that I've been gathering up as doing the work on the shop. So anyways, I just wanted to let you know what was going on, and gonna basically start to see it in the background of the future videos. So I figured I'd just put together a quick video to let you share with, I'm pretty proud about it, but I thought I'd share it with you too. So we'll see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.